So we're moved in to our other house now and enjoying some cute time with John. Here he is. John. His thing that he totally came up with, his own little invention. Are you going to crawl? Can you show Mommy how you crawl? Into the army crawling. Why don't we try it? Let's try. I want you to get Froggy. We get Froggy from Mama. Or get Elephant. Get Eli. Good boy. Yeah. He gets up on his hands and knees and rocks. Yes, you do. What's this? What's this? There he goes. Yay! Yahoo! You want to say goodbye to the camera? There's one of his baby Einstein balls. Loves those things. John. John, say goodbye. Say goodbye. Bye-bye. Love you. Mwah. Mwah. Alright. See ya. Bye, honey. Look at that big head. It's like Sputnik. Bye, honey.